Hello guys, my name is Reza. I'm a Farsi teacher. In this video, I'm going to review one lesson from this book, Learn to Speak Farsi in 30 Days. This book is completely different from my other books. In this book, I didn't use the Farsi alphabet, so you're not going to learn the alphabet in this book. So this book teaches Farsi speaking, without the Farsi script. So I've received many questions about the Farsi alphabet and whether they need to learn the alphabet or not. Well, it's a common question that I always receive. Can you learn Farsi language without learning the alphabet? And the answer is yes, you can. In fact, anyone can learn to speak Farsi language without reading its script. Many Farsi learners think that would be uh, difficult or impossible to become fluent in spoken Farsi without being able to read the alphabet. In this book, you will learn that it is perfectly possible to reach a good conversational level without being able to read. Many Farsi speakers use the Roman alphabet when writing in their dialect. So this book uses the same method. You would technically be illiterate in Farsi, but you could learn to speak and listen. So let's take a look at the book, the first lesson, to get the idea how you can learn the Farsi language without learning the script. This is day one, so you can see that from the name of the book. You can learn Farsi, learn to speak Farsi at intermediate level in just 30 days. If you spend about 2 hours a day or 3 hours a day just reviewing the common phrases and common words in this book and just basic grammar. So this is day one. The title of this chapter or this day is Ahval Porsi. Ahval Porsi means greeting. Ahval Porsi. The first part, you can see that it's just divided in two different parts. The first part or first section is Mokaleme. Mokaleme. Mokaleme means conversation, dialogue. So let's take a look at this conversation. Shaheen. Shaheen is a popular name for boys in Iran. And Behnam is also a popular name for boys. Shaheen says salam, salam. So you can see that how we use the Roman alphabet to write the words and phrases in Farsi. So it is salam, salam. That one, the little thing, just shows that it is all. Salam means hello, hi. Behnam says salam. Chetori. Chetori. Chetori means how are you? Chetori. And Shaheen says khubam. I'm good. Khubam. I'm fine. I'm good. To means you. Chetori. How about you? To chetori. And Behnam says bad nistam. Bad nistam. I'm not. Nistam. Merci or mamnoon. Mamnoon or merci just means thank you. Let's go to the second part or second section. The second section is جمله های رایج. جمله های رایج. جمله means phrase or sentence. های is just a plural, phrases or sentences. رایج means common, popular. Let's take a look at the phrases that are provided here in this section. It is how are you? It just means چطوری. 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 چه خبر. چه خبر simply means what's up. چه خبر. خوبی. Are you okay? خوبی. Are you fine? Are you good? خوبی. خوبی. صبح بخیر. good morning. صبح بخیر. عصر بخیر. عصر بخیر means good evening or good afternoon. خواهش میکنم. خواهش میکنم means you're welcome. Let's go to the next part. Is this the third section? Section number 3. Grammar or just grammar. The personal pronouns in Farsi or ضمیر شخصی. شخص means personal. شخصی, personal. ضمیر شخصی, personal pronouns. So we have 6 personal pronouns. I, man. You for singular is different from plural. To, he or she, un or u. So this one you can realize from this part that it is just a spoken form. The spoken form is un. Ma, we, shoma, you plural, and una, they. Okay, next part is the, again, conversation dialogue, mukalame again. So this is Fariba and Negar. Both are common or popular names for girls. Sobh bekhair. Sobh bekhair, good morning. Sobh bekhair. Sobh bekhair. Chatori, we had it before. Chatori means how are you? Chatori. Khub means good. Khubam, I'm good, I'm fine. Mamnunam. Mamnunam or mamnun. Mamnun means thanks or merci. Thanks. چه خبر? What's up? چه خبر? چه خبر? What's up? And Negar says salamati. Salamati simply means everything is good, everything is fine. Salamati. Okay, so this one was part or section 4. Section 5, again, we have common phrases. جمله های رایج. مواظب خودت باش. خدا حافظ. خدا حافظ means goodbye. مواظب خودت باش, take care. خدا حافظ, goodbye. خیلی ممنون. ممنون, we know that it's just thank you. خیلی ممنون means thank you very much. Merci again, thank you. شب بخیر. بخیر. خ is a letter that is sometimes difficult to pronounce especially for English speaking people. خ from your throat. شب بخیر is good night. فردا میبینمت. فردا means tomorrow. میبینمت means I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, next part 6. You can see that it's very convenient and you don't need to learn the alphabet, just the Roman alphabet, no Farsi script. Without learning the Farsi script, you can learn many common phrases and you can learn how to speak in Farsi. Numbers or adad. Adad numbers. Numbers are written from left to right in Persian. It's just the same way in English, but we write from right to left in Farsi. So let's take a look at numbers. یک, دو, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is 10. 10. Okay, let's go to next part. Part 7 again, we have grammar, but it is simple present of to be grammar. So, I am simply means man hastam. Man hastam. I am. You are singular to hasti. E at the end. He or she un hast is hast. Ma, we learned we before. Ma has team, we are. You are, the plural. Shoma has teen, ne at the end. They are, una has tan, has tan. Let's take a look at the next one. Again, we have a conversation. The next part is conversation again. Mokaleme. Mokaleme, conversation. Sahar and Neda are 2 names for girls. خوشحال شدم. خوشحال means glad, happy. خوشحال شدم, I became happy. دیدمت, دیدن means to see. دیدمت, I see you. So simple means I'm glad to see you. Nice to meet you. منم, منم means me too. منم, همینطور. You could say just منم. منم also means me too. همینطور just means me too again. همینطور means too. منم همینطور. فردا, فردا means tomorrow. میبینمت, میبینمت. فردا میبینمت. میبینمت means I'll see you tomorrow. میبینمت, میبینمت, see you. خدا حافظ, خدا حافظ. خدا حافظ means goodbye. Let's go to the next part. Again, we have common phrases, جمله های رایج. اشکالی نداره means it's okay. It's okay. اشکالی نداره. اشکال means problem. نداره means no problem or it's okay. اول شما means after you. اول means first. شما means you, first you, but simply means after you. ورود is entrance and خروج, خروج means exit. آره, آره is just casual speaking for yes, آره, but بله is more formal, بله. And نه is just no. Again, we have grammar, grammar. I'm not, نیستم. نیستم, I'm not. نیستی, you are not. نیست, he or she is not. نیستیم, we are not. نیستین, you are not. And نیستن, they are not. One example here. من دانشجو نیستم. دانشجو means a student. دانشجو, a student. نیستم. دانشجو, I'm not a student. من دانشجو نیستم. Next part, the word of the day. Also, we have the word of the day. That's very convenient. It's very interesting to learn one word just that we had in the conversation in this example. دانشجو. دانشجو means a student. دانشجو. And من دانشجو am. دانشجو am. Am at the end means I am. دانشجوام, you could say, you could just remove the personal pronoun man. دانشجوام means I'm a student. Next part, 12. Part 12 is the idiom of the day. اصطلاح, اصطلاح means idiom. اصطلاح روز, روز means day. اصطلاح day, روز, اصطلاح روز means idiom of the day. در رفت. Dar means door, raf means went. The door went. But it is an idiom. It just means that someone escaped, taking on the lam, as we say in English. Dar raft, then the synonym is farar kard, escape. Farar kard. The last part in each day is a vocabulary, just the vocabulary that you learn in this day, just to review the words. So I just review the words for you. bad, خوب, صبح, عصر, ممنون, خیلی, شب, فردا, خوشحال, اشکال, اشکال, اول, دانشجو, دانشجو. رفت, در رفتن, در رفتن. فرار کردن, بودن, داشتن. خدا حافظ, سلام, دیدن, دیدن. خارج شدن, شدن. همینطور, خبر, نه. وارد شدن, وارد شدن, بله. مرسی, اعداد, عدد, sorry, عدد is number. اعداد means numbers. عدد, اعداد. جمله آره. خوبی؟ Alright, thank you for watching this video. The link of the book is below this video. If you have any questions, any remarks, any feedback about this lesson, please leave your comment below this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.